our channel, Olesya and
Nasya.
TV. Stop!
Don't forget like,
Subscribe and hit the post notifications button to get notified every time we post. So, today we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So, the rules to this game is we have to pick our 3 different colors blindfolded with our blindfolds, and we also have to pick which glitter we want blindfolded. So, let's get started. Who's going first?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, you're first. Do you want me to tie it?
Yeah. What color? What color?
Yeah. Pick one color. Okay. Which color did you
I
pick?
like this one.
Okay, so put it beside your side. Okay, now it's mine. Okay, where are the colors?
Oh, that's the word.
Oh no, I got brown! Why did I get brown? Okay,
So,
let's do
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, you go first.
Oopsie.
Pick your second color.
Oh, yeah.
You got such a nice color. Wait, where's your other color? I'm gonna choose this one. I got red.
So,
I got brown and red. Okay, now I have to pick one more color. I'm gonna put your brown. Oh, this is mine, but that's fine.
this one.
Yay! You got orange. You have such nice colors. I got blue. Yay! But it doesn't really match these colors. But it's okay. Okay, now we need to pick our glitter. So, let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm first. Finally. This one.
No.
No, I got blue. I wanted
blue.
red. I wanted red.
I want blue.
Okay, now let's start making our slime. So first we need glue. Here's your glue. And my glue. Okay, let's start.
Oh my god.
It's farting.
I know.
Add all of it. Add a little more glitter. Okay, that's good. Now I just need a mix.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now we need to add shaving cream, which is the next step. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love adding shaving cream, so now which I have. I love mixing. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And shaving cream always makes your slime a little bit lighter. So I'm happy it makes it lighter because then it'll be like pink. Look at my color now. Look. Mine's turning kind of like salmon.
Salmon. Mine look like what I had.
It turned a bit lighter, mine. Because when you add shaving cream is white, so it makes it lighter. Mine's almost getting pink.
That's mine.
This is mine, I like mine. Mine's almost like pink. Okay, now that we got that, we need to add our activators. So let's start with this. Can I start?
Yeah.
So if we have to add 2 tablespoons of this. Let's start with 1 and then add another one. So this is contact lens solution.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's 1. And you could have 1 too, for now. And if we need another one, we'll add another. Next, I'll just mix it. Ooh, I can see it starting. Okay, that's good. Now close it. Next one, you have to finish mixing still. Oops. Okay. Oh!
Oopsies.
Okay, I think that's good. Now let's pour that in. Okay, do you want help?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's good. Okay, let's mix it. This is one. Now let's play with them. So we're here, and this is our final slime. I love our slime. It's so good.
Yeah.
Mine's like a pink color, and hers is like a dark blue swamp color. So if you vote mine is better, comment down below hashtag body part. If you think that hers is better, comment hashtag
Green alligator.
Okay, so for hers, hashtag green alligator. For mine, so for hers, hashtag green alligator. For mine, hashtag body part. Ew.
And I created this.
So, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the post notifications button to get notified every time we post. So, I hope you liked the video and see you next time. Bye!